Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. That's a very good, solid, interactive good afternoon. Thank you. My name is Ian Price. I'm a business psychologist. Limbic system, yeah. So the limbic system is the base part of the brain that developed first. It includes bits you might have heard of, such as the amygdala, which is responsible for fight or flight. Okay, gently throw the ball towards me. Thank you. Okay, so what's going on here? What's this all about? So we've introduced a model of the way in which the brain works. This whole area of management is really fundamental to building a resilient mindset. Even very traumatic experiences can lead to growth. There is an expression, post-traumatic growth. So the emotions are often negative. It's reactive in a negative way. Not just about the future, but about the past. That level of self-awareness is half the battle. How we react emotionally to an adversity is about our beliefs. Our beliefs act as a filter. I'd like to thank you for your participation. Thank you very much.